Hello lovely people, this is Sian from Urban Stitches and this is just a very quick tutorial on the best way of unravelling a skein of floss. So here we go. As you can see, there are two ends to this floss. One has its maker's information, the other has the number so you can identify what colour this is. Now, best way of unravelling is to have the number pointing towards yourself. There will be two ends, often they are hidden. One should be at the bottom here and one is normally underneath the maker's little doodad label at the top. Do not pull that one. If you pull that one, it will tangle. So grab the bottom, gently pull. There we go, like so. And that is the easiest way for you to unravel floss if you're keeping it on a skein. Have fun, happy stitching, enjoy, and I'll see you soon.